Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, today we are going to learn about interjection. Let's see what are interjections. Interjection are words used to express some certain feeling or emotion. Examples: Hooray! I have passed the exam. Wow! That's really great news. Beta, interjections are used to express happiness, sadness, anger, doubt, etc. Let's learn about the common kinds of interjection. Interjection of greeting: hey, hello, hi. But these interjections are used for greeting. Interjection of bidding farewell: bye, goodbye, see ya. Interjection of joy: express emotion of happiness. When you are happy, at that times the words that you express, the words that you say, these are called interjection of joy. Hooray! Wow! Yay! Example: wow! I am so happy for you. Interjection of praise: express approval or praise. When you praise someone or admire someone, like great, well done, brilliant, bravo. Example: well done, you did great. Interjection of attention: used to draw attention. When you want to get attention of other people, other persons, look, listen, shh. Example: look, it's a lion. Interjection of surprise: express sense of surprise. When you get some surprise, then you utter these words: what? Ah, oh, wow. Example: what? I can't believe it. Interjection of pain: express strong emotion of grief or pain. Ouch, ah, oh. Example: ouch, that hurt. Interjection of doubt: express uncertainty or thinking. Oh. Example: let me think. When you have doubt about the things and the things are not clear, then you use these types of interjections. And beta, with interjection we use sign of exclamation. Beta, this is all about interjection. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.